Alright, if you can get your truck to make this sound by shaking it, try this. I actually had to do this twice. The first time I only folded the rag halfway. So if it doesn't work right away, try folding it again, try making it a little bit thicker. But listen to this. So this is the problem. This is where the hood bumpers connect with the cowl. And you can see I've tried all the typical stuff, taping some stuff down over it. Those are the bumpers. On the hood latch you can see some tape on it. I tried that trick too. None of that stuff works. What actually works is just fixing the problem, which is these hood bumpers are worn down. So to remove them, I had to get them started with some pliers, but they just twist out lefty-loosey. They are rubber pieces with kind of a threaded end molded into them. So that's the old one, and this is the solution. They sell these on Amazon under various names. Just Google hood bumper. I got 15 of these for $12. You only need 3. Here's the old ones next to the new ones. You can see the new ones are just a little bit longer and about the same size. So using a little channel locks to get them started, and then twist it out, twist in the new one. And that's it. There are 3 of them. And listen to this. Also, look at the alignment of the hood. It's perfect now. So there's also some noise that comes out of the liftgate, but this is different. There are 4 bumpers on there. 2 that look like this on the bottom, and 2 that look like the conical one up top. They cost about $15 or $20 a piece, and they don't support the weight of the liftgate, and no heat builds up under here. So to fix this, I just put these little felt bumpers on. I had these. They also sell them as rubber. I'd probably go rubber if I was buying them new, but I had these already. And they're for furniture. They have an adhesive backing. They're really cheap. You just peel off the back and stick them on the contact spot, and it stops the noises back there.